Hey, got some exciting stuff to talk about. NASDAQ down 0.43% today on the regular trading hours. It's after the bell, and two stocks that I want to talk a little bit about is Qualcomm and Micron. Yeah, Micron is delivered like a incredible quarter. It beat the estimates. It didn't just beat them. It didn't just blow them out. It just nuked them. And look, it's up 12.5%. And who knows, it can go even higher. It's definitely lifting up the whole tech sector. Qualcomm is another winner right now today. All of a sudden, after now hours, it's riding maybe the Micron wave. But also, there's some other news that I just want to talk about in a little bit. So, well, yeah, Micron here. Yeah, incredible quarter. Look at this. Their quarter, their revenue is 41.46 billion, and that's like a 70 some percent increase over the past quarter. That's incredible for such a big company, you know. Gross margin 84.9%. It's insane. Like not even Nvidia got that high. And so yeah, they bring home 28.86 billion dollars for this quarter. That's their net income. So diluted earnings per share is 25.11. So they beat earnings. What the street was looking for was $20 and change. And so this is the deck from their website, and I can link it, or you can just search for it. It's financial results for Q3. And then there's one other slide I want to take a look at. And there's a lot of information in this deck, okay? I'm just hitting on like a quick key point here. And it says market outlook. We now expect supply demand conditions for DRAM and NAND to remain tight for until beyond calendar 2027. So wow, that's a long run here that everything is going to be, you know, in their favor with like high margins. And I assume it's going to be high margins till then at least. And then now going to Qualcomm. Yeah, Qualcomm, I had a video about them here acquiring modular, and I was kind of weird for me to understand that thoroughly. But two things. So they also raised its fiscal 2029 non-handset revenue, and again, this is off their webpage. Revenue target to $40 billion, and that's approximately 2x the prior fiscal 2029 target. Again, this is what they're targeting, and it's because of a AI infrastructure strategy, bring in all this revenue. And so what is the other big news today was in their investor relationship event, they announced partnership, or not partnership. I mean, they're partners with all the hyperscalers. You know, they do business. That's what they say. But them and Meta are planning to deploy CPUs in Meta's AI strategy. So yeah, it's called the Dragonfly C1000, and there's not a lot of details about this, but one of the key points that they were saying is like hopefully it'll be, not hopefully, but they're saying it's going to be targeting like very low, very power efficient, as you can see, very high performance, very power efficient, because yeah, these data centers are just like power hogs these days, you know, sapping the life out of the power produced on this earth. And so yeah, if they can bring down the cost, that'd be fantastic. And there seems to be a lot of room for different CPU vendors out there, and Qualcomm is, you know, stepping into the game. So hopefully they can get a piece of the pie, just like Intel, AMD flourishing with their x86 series or based CPUs. And then you got another company like Qualcomm, and you know, other people are jumping into this too if they can. And Qualcomm, you know, has been making application processors for a long time for mobile handset, and they've invested in the recent years on also deploying into consumer laptops. And so I think they've got a lot of experience that they can leverage to succeed in the AI server business. All right, yeah. So hopefully Micron's crazy quarter that they deliver will lift the whole stock market globally, just for the tech sector, for everything, man. Micron really gave the long-term investor, short-term investor, people on the buy side a gift here, and hopefully it carries into the regular hours tomorrow. And Qualcomm, man, I think their market cap is 208, and they're relatively even the PE ratio is 21, so they haven't gone parabolic yet. I don't know if they will, but I think given how expensive other stocks are, given the speculation built into them, maybe Qualcomm, like I said in my previous videos, it would be a something to play on. And here's our a demo portfolio. We did added Qualcomm. I think we added an average price is 219. So and after hours is like 223 right now. So yeah, it was kind of break even. And of course, we're hoping for higher upside, and it's just a percentage of our portfolio. And here I've added applied materials, like I said in my last one of my last videos, not my very last one, the one previous to that. And so I emptied the buying power. I was going to do only 20K, but I did almost like 30K here. Given I bought on Monday and I bought on Tuesday, and then my average price is 625 or 617. And now it's popped up in after hours because Applied Material and all the other chip equipment making companies, they are really big winners in this semiconductor landscape war. And so yeah, the Applied Materials, I think they'll continue to do well for us. It's unfortunately I don't have any Micron or Western Digital or Seagate. Those are the group of bundle of like semi-related customer companies that are in the storage, both for flash and hard drives that are kind of sold up and can't keep up with demand. But yeah, their stocks are for Seagate and Western Digital are kind of pretty pricey. But yeah, it's an unusual situation. So I don't know how far and how fast it has to go up from here. All right, don't forget to like this video if you do, and I'll catch you in another episode.